Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to 23rd day of October Yoga Challenge. So let's start. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. With a smile on your face, close your eyes. As usual, we'll make a humming sound three times. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out completely. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Relax. Feel the sensation in your body. And wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. Next 45 minutes, just be with your own self. Forget about any other thing. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Let's sit in Vajrasana. We'll be doing Vastrika Pranayam today. So, how to sit in Vajrasana? Sit on your knee and your heels like this. Because when we sit like this, automatically our back is straight. But if you find difficult in sitting like this, you may sit in cross legs. Sit in Vajrasana. Let's get ready for Vastrika Pranayam. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out completely. So breathing in, we'll be taking our arms up and opening our fingers wide, and breathing out forcefully, we'll bring our palms back to this position. Okay, so let's start. Breathe in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 11, in, 12, in, 13, in, 14, in, 15, in, 16, in, 17, in, 18, in, 19, in, 20. Relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Keeping your body still, feel the sensation inside the body. Vastrika is also known as instant energizer. Let's get ready for second round of Vastrika. Loose fists in front of your shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Keeping your body still, feel the sensation inside the body. Now let's get ready for third round of Vastrika. Loose fist in front of your shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. 1, in. 2, in. 3, in. 4, in. 5, in. 6, in. 7, in. 8, in. 9, in. 10, in. 11, in. 12, in. 13, in. 14, in. 15, in. 16, in. 17, in. 18, in. 19, in. 20. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body and gently switch out to normal cross-leg posture. Sitting normal Sukhasana. Let's do some joint loosening exercises. So we will start with neck rotation. Breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, come back to the center. And gently turn to the right side. And look over your right shoulder. And attention on your neck region. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the other side, left side. Feel the stretch on the right side of your neck. Breathing in, come back to the center. Now let's bend our neck to the right side. Bring your right ear closer to your right shoulder. You can take a help of your right arm if you want, a little bit. Feel a nice stretch happening on the left side of your neck region. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. Tension on the stretched body part. Awareness on the breath is the key. Breathing in, come back to the center. Now let's start working on the shoulder. Stretch your arms in front. Pull your fingers towards your body and palms away from the body. Breathe out. Relax your palms. In, out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your finger and take your arms to both the side. Both the side. Stretch your arms. Pull your fingers towards your body and palms away from the body. Finger towards your body and palms away from the body. Stay there. Lot of our stress gets stored around the neck and shoulder region. By doing these few exercises, we release the stress. Now breathing out, turn your palms backwards and down. Breathing in center and breathing out front and down. But stretch remain as it is. Finger towards your body and palms away from the body. And relax. Shrug your shoulder. Okay. Now let's align our spines. Stretch your arms on both the sides of the body, keeping your face facing front in front of the camera, and just move your arms. Just move your arms. And slowly take your arms up. Keep taking your arms up. Interlace the finger. Stretch your arms over the head. Index finger pointing to the ceiling. Give a nice stretch to the spine. Now relax your palms and start coming down. And relax. Let's work on the waist by doing a body rotation. Breathing in, take your head up and back, and breathing out, keeping your back straight. Go down, go forward and down, and then breathing in from your right and back, and breathing out left and front. Make a nice circle with your head. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in left and back, and breathing out right and front. And relax. Slowly come up. Now let's stretch your leg. Sit in Dandasana. Stretch your toes to the front wall, pointing the front wall. And breathing in, relax your toes and points towards your body. Stretch, release. Stretch, release. Stretch, release. And now let's rotate the ankle in clockwise. Opposite direction. Opposite direction. And relax. Okay. Let's all stand up. We will do some warm-ups. Shake your finger and stand up. Shake your whole body. Shake, 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 shake. Very good. Okay. So we start with doing a high knees. So how we do high knee? Make a fist, thumbs facing up. Your fist will remain here only. Only the knees will come here. And we'll make a sound as if we are riding a horse. Okay. Let's start. Relax. Breathe in from the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Catch a few breaths. We'll do one more exercise for the warm-ups. What you do is you come to one end of the mat. Come to one end of the mat. Straighten your arms and breathing out, bend forward. And see if you can touch the mat. Touch here. Go to the other side of the mat. Touch. And then again come back. Touch. Again go this side. Touch and come back. Go to the other side. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. Relax. Now slowly sliding your palms on your leg and come up. Very good. Loosen up your leg. Catch a few breaths. Let's do Urdhva Tadasana. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, palms facing the sky, and slowly come up on your toes. Give a nice stretch to your spine. And breathing out, relax. Let's do Konasana 2. For Konasana 2, once again take your arms up, interlace the finger, index finger pointing to the sky, and breathing out, bend to the right side. Same plane. Your body is not forward or backward. Body is in same plane. Feel the stretch on the left side of the body. Relax in the posture. Awareness on the breath and attention on the stretched body part. Follow these 3 key rules throughout. And do not forget the smile on your face. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the other side. Some of you, I'm seeing the body is coming in front like this. Avoid doing this. Do in one plane. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Okay, now let's do Kati Chakrasana. Straighten your arms in front of the chest as if you're holding a box in both the palms. Both the feet are touching the ground, both the feet touching the ground, and then gently turn to the right side. Make sure the right foot, big toe is also touching the ground, and look over your right shoulder. Box is intact between both the palms. The distance between the palms remains the same. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the other side. And this time, ensure that the left foot, big toe is touching the ground. And look over your left shoulder. Feel the stretch on your spine. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out, relax. Let's do Trikonasana here. Spread your leg. Gently turn your foot, right foot 90 degrees outward. The left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Our normal base position. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Now slide the upper half of your body to the right. Keep sliding, keep sliding, keep sliding. Once you have completely straight on one side, then breathe in and then breathing out, bend to the right side. And look at your left palm. Look at your left palm. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Turn your left foot 90 degrees outward. The right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up. Breathing out, slide the upper half of your body to the left. Keep sliding, keep sliding. And then breathe in and then breathing out, bend to the left side. And look at your right palm. Stay here. Continue breathing. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Now let's come to the front of the mat. We'll be doing Surya Namaskar with some variation. So breathe in and out. Namaste. 1. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Feel the touch of both the palms to each other and take few breaths here. Breathing in, take your arms up and back. Stretch your whole body. Take few breaths, at least 2 to 3 breaths. Breathing in, sit in your back, and breathing out, bend from your waist. Come halfway first. Keep your back straight halfway. And then breathing out, slowly go down. See where you can touch your leg, your toe, your knee, your ankle. And just relax your arms and rock your body left and right, holding both the arms to each other. Rock left and right. Loosen up your lower back and your hamstring muscles. Now see if you can hold your toe or the ankle or the knees. Keep holding it. Breathing in, straighten your back like this. Straighten your back. Then breathing out, straighten your leg and go closer to the knee. Once again, breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go closer to the knee. Your elbows might come out when you go closer. Keep holding the big toe or wherever you are comfortable. Go down as much as you can. Listen to your body. Stay here. And now gently place the palms by the side of your feet. And breathing in, take your right leg back. Very good. Now, push your pelvis down. Look at the ceiling. Ashtu Sanchalanasana. Here, stabilize your right palm and breathing in, lift up your left arm up. Take few breaths. And breathing out, relax your left arm. Breathe in and then breathing out, take your left leg back. Body is in straight line in Dandasana. Head to toe, body is in straight line. Balance your body. Stay here. Now gently place the right leg in front of the chest like this. Your right thigh is in line with the body, not outside, in line with the body. And slowly take your palms closer to your hip, closer to your waist region, and come to Kapotasana. This is level 2. So if you find difficult, please avoid and relax for some time. And today let's move from here to the level 3. What we do is, only those who are comfortable here, try for the level 3. Others, just relax. Bend your left leg, hold your left ankle, and look to the ceiling. This is Kapotasana. Breathing in, relax the leg. And gently slide your palms forward and go down. Feel the nice stretch happening on your hamstring muscles, around your hip region, the inner thigh of your left leg, and enjoy those stretches. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, take your right leg back to Dandasana, and let's do it with the left leg. Now, place your left leg in front of the chest. Your right leg is straight. Body is balanced on both the sides. It's not coming on the left like this. It's on both the sides. Now gently take the palms close to your waist as much as you can, and bend your right leg. Again the level 3, and look at the ceiling. Feel a nice stretch happening. And breathing out, relax your right leg, slide your palms forward and go down. Relax your body on both the sides. Breathing in, slowly come up. Back to Dandasana. Then breathing out, knee chest in on the ground. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, right leg between the palms. Now let's hold here and complete the other side. Breathing in, lift up your Right arm up this side. Stretch your right arm up. And breathing out, relax your right arm. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out, bring your left leg between the palms. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, back to Namaste. Very good. Now let's do the second half on the left side. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11, and 12. Very good. Let's do Utkatasana, the imaginary chair pose. Stretch your arms in front. Push your buttocks back. Go down. Go down. Go down. Let's stay here for a bit longer time today. Let's enjoy the watching the mobile or the newspaper. Let's have some tea here with the biscuit. Stay there and smile. Keep smiling. Slowly go down and then sit down. Okay. Let's join your feet together and bring it close to the body. Straighten your back. Tap your leg. Smiling, colorful, beautiful butterflies. Flap, 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 faster. Now place both the feet around 4 to 6 inches far from the body. Straighten your back and slowly go forward as much as you can, but make sure your back is straight. Your thighs are still touching the ground, or with the help of the elbow, you can push the thighs to the ground and go down as much as you can. Listen to your body. Do not make a curve on your back. Back remains straight. Breathing in, slowly come out. Okay. Now let's do Paschimottanasana here. Sit in Dandasana. Sit in Dandasana. If you find it difficult in sitting like this, you may place a pillow here. With the help of pillow, you'll be able to sit properly. Okay. And now breathing in, take your arms up, stretch your spine. Then breathing out, go forward and down. See where you can hold your legs on the knees, shin bone, or the ankle, or big toe, wherever you can. Breathing in, straighten your back. Bring your stomach closer to the thigh and straighten your back. And breathing out, go deeper. But make sure your back is straight. Breathing in, straighten your back, and breathing out, go deeper. Stay here. Do as much as you can. Feel the stretch happening on the lower back, the upper back. Now breathing in, slowly up, and breathing out, relax. So whenever we do forward bending, we have to do a backward bending, which is very important. Counter pose. So either you can do in the form of tabletop position like this, or there is one more, which is called as Purva Uttanasana. Stretch your leg. So let's see, whatever is comfortable to you. This might be a bit difficult. So, and then slowly come up. And see if you can touch your toes to the ground. Or if you are comfortable doing tabletop, you can do the tabletop. Both are the counter pose of Paschimottanasana. This is Purvottanasana. Breathing in, slowly take your head up and slowly take your waist down. And relax. Relax in child pose. Come to Vajrasana. Slide your palms in front of the chest and go to the child pose. Take few breaths here. And gently lie down on your mat on the stomach. Let's do some lying down postures. Palms below the shoulder. Breathing in, slowly lift the upper half of your body, vertebra by vertebra in Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. And once your navel is just 1 inch above the ground, that is the point you hold. And let's do a small variation here. Turn your face to the right side and look at your left foot. Breathing in center and to the other side over your left shoulder and your right foot. And breathing out, relax. Slowly go down. Bend your legs, hold the ankle. And breathing in, come up in bow posture. Dhanurasana. Breathing out, relax. Now gently flip over to your back. Flip over to your back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. Okay, let's bend both the legs. Let's do some cycling here. Both the legs are 90 degrees. Like your knee is exactly above the hip and your knee is in line with the ankle. From here, you may spread your arms on both the side of the body and let's start making a circle with the foot. The 1 foot circle. Enjoy the cycling. The 1 foot. Slowly make it 2 feet. Slightly bigger circle. And the biggest circle. 1 leg straight, another leg close to the body. Opposite direction. Our cycle has a reverse gear. Come on. Big circle. Opposite direction. 2 feet circle. This exercise is very good to get rid of the belly fat. And 1 feet circle. Continue, continue. And relax. Straighten your leg. Relax for few breaths. Now, gently bend both the legs. Place the feet hip width apart, more than hip width apart. More than hip width apart. And gently drop both the legs to the right side and look at your left palm. When you drop both the legs to the right side, the left knee exactly lands on the right ankle. And you are facing the left palm. Feel the stretch on your spine, the lying spinal twist. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out to the other side. Left side and you're facing the right palm this time. Breathing in, come back to the center. Let's drop it one more time on the right and the left. Loosen up your spine region. Back to center and on the left. And slowly come back. And let's do wind release pose here. Bending both the knees. Bring the knees close to the chest. Once again, breathe in and breathing out. Bring your nose between the knee. And hold both the legs. Squeeze your body like an atom. And then rock your body forward and backwards. Give a good massage to your back. Head on the ground and rock sideways. Relax. Straighten your leg. Let's shake our whole body and make a humming sound. Shake your legs, shake your arms, flap your arms. Shake, move your head left and right. Shake your whole body. Shaking and make a humming sound. Relax. Feel the prana becoming alive in each cell of your body. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth, becoming one with the earth element. And let your mind dissolve into the space, becoming one with the space element. Gently bring your attention to the right foot, right lower leg and knee, right thigh and hip, whole of your right leg. Move your attention to the left foot, left lower leg and knee, left thigh and hip, whole of your left leg. Genital region, abdomen, stomach near navel region, chest near the heart, right shoulder, whole of your right arm, left shoulder and left arm, throat and neck region, face, forehead, top of the head, and whole body. Bring your attention to the whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Keep your eyes closed. Taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. Yeah. So we'll be doing Brahmari pranayam here. So Brahmari is very simple. I think by now everybody knows. So what we do is we take our index finger and place it on our earlids, and then breathe in. We will breathe in normally, and breathing out, we'll make a humming sound. And while making a humming sound, you press your earlids in and out. Make that humming sound vibrate. Okay. Let's start. Breathe in. And relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Amri Pranayam has already calmed your mind. Now, using this calmness, go deeper into the meditation. Gently bring your attention to your whole body. Bring the attention to your nostrils. The breath is going in and out of the nostrils, keeping this body alive. Feel the temperature of the breath inside the nostrils. Feel the breath rubbing the inner wall of the nostrils. Keeping the attention on your breath. Just relax. Let go all your efforts. Just relax. Just be. A gentle smile on your face. Breathe in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. Become aware of your body and the surrounding. And whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So with this, we conclude this session for 23rd day.